What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video, and today I got a new car part in the mail and I got a little eager, opened it up already, and I'm going to show you what it is. We're going to go over the specs of it, and then I'm going to tell you my plans before I have to put it on, or I might just put it on, so who knows. But let's get into it. Today I got a new intake manifold, but not just any intake manifold. Skunk2 Ultra Street Race manifold. So this is the top of the line intake manifold that you can get. We're gonna go over the specs, so let's go over the spec. Alright, here we have the, alright, ready for this mouthful? It is the Skunk2 Racing Ultra Street Race Intake Manifold. So after that, let's just get to it. It is made out of high-grade aluminum alloy. It's really lightweight. It's good for strength too. Very thick around the edges. There's a lot of what am I trying to say? There's a lot of material if you want to port it even more. There's a lot of room for that. So if that's what you want to do, you have the option to do that because there's a lot of space for that. What else? Okay, so on the inside, as you could see, the first one right there, the basically, see those little smooth edges right there? It allows for just more smoother intake. Not really sure the science behind it, but anyway, allows for more smoother intake. So this Plenum actually is a 1.8 liter Plenum, which is actually pretty crazy. But the crazy thing about this is also this is a two-piece, so you could take this off and have those open velocity stacks. I'm not going to do that. I know people do that, but probably not going to do that. So what else does it have? Okay, so let's see. This is you have the option to upgrade to a 90mm throttle body. You can obviously use the stock throttle body. I know the stock throttle body for the K20 is, I think, 70mm, 72, something like that. But yeah, you have the option here to upgrade to a 90mm, which is pretty good for if you want to go NA, and it's also really good if you want to go boost, because this thing can hold a lot of boost. So I'm told. But yeah, you have the option to upgrade to a 90mm, which I plan on doing for an NA build just for a little bit until I go, turbo. So yeah, what comes in the box? Well, you have the gasket, which is awfully thick and is actually pretty sturdy. So that's good to have. Has some plugs because if you don't boost, you don't need the plug. You don't need those holes. So got those plugs. And of course, you have your stickers, which add about 5 to 10 horsepower each. So right there, I probably have about 40 to 50 horsepower. So just that alone was a good gain. Money well spent. So yeah, guys, this is the Skunk2 Racing Ultra Intake Manifold. There we go. Yeah, this is pretty much the best one you could buy. I can't wait to put it on. I know there is some problems when you don't have a cam upgrade, so that's going to have to, the problem basically is you're going to lose low end power. So I'm going to have to find some cams. I have found some cams online. There's Skunk2 cams. It's a stage 2 or 3 cam, so I think we're going to upgrade to that. It's about $600. I think we're going to upgrade to that before we put this on. I want to put this on very bad, but I think we're going to do that first, and I also want to get a 90mm throttle body before I put it on. So yeah, make sure you guys stay tuned, because you're not going to want to miss putting this on, because I want to get the old one off, and I also have another car part to go on this. So it's coming in. Should have been here 6 days ago. Says it was delivered, but it wasn't. So we're waiting on that. And yeah, so that's it, guys. This is the intake manifold. So make sure you like, subscribe, share, hit that notification bell, because I will be posting, and you don't want to miss the installation of this and fuel rail potentially that I'm getting. I'm getting. I already ordered it, so should be here. But yeah, guys, take it easy.